Hi there, this is Andy from Skilz4umedia, bringing the latest reviews, tutorials and creative experience online. And today I'm going to be teaching you some new origami skills. So make sure you like the video, share the content and subscribe to our channel. Let's give it a go.
Why hello everybody and welcome back, and today we're going to be making an Origami Ichiosarus. How awesome is that? So first of all we're going to start off with a 20 by 20 centimeter square. So first of all we're going to fold it over in towards the middle, just like that, and we're going to do the same thing the opposite direction. So I'm just going to turn it this direction, forward it over towards the middle, just making sure that all the points meet, and we're going to make a lovely firm crease along that edge. Great job. How are we doing? Awesome. So from here we're going to make a kite shape, so we're just going to bring that across towards the middle, making sure I have a nice sharp point on the end, firmly pressing down with my finger, and repeat exactly the same on the other side. Again, making sure that we have a nice clean point right at the top of the kite, just like that. Brilliant job. Okay, so from here we're going to turn it over, so the folded bit we're going to just bring it over towards the top, just like that, and then bring this tip here to the tip of the wider part, like so. Brilliant stuff. Right, okay, so from here I'm going to turn it back over, and from here, so this part here, I'm just going to fold it in, and we're going to make another kite shape, pushing down gently. I just want to make sure I've got a nice sharp point on this right hand side here, pressing down firmly, and we've got that shape there. So hopefully it looks like this. Great stuff. Now repeat on the bottom side. So I'm just taking this part, folding over towards the middle, again just taking a little bit of care on that bottom part, like that. Great stuff. Okay, now from here I'm going to turn it over, and we're just going to turn that over just like that. Awesome job. Okay, now from here I'm just going to flip this side over towards the left, like so, and we're going to fold it back on itself. Okay, so from here fold towards the middle, just like that, pushing down gently like that, and then we're going to fold it back just like that. Okay, so from here now we're going to just fold it over towards the middle. So our Ichiosarus is kind of nearly done. Pushing down firmly, and then from here we've got the fins. So what I'm going to do for here, I'm going to find the line here and just fold that back on itself, just like that. So that's the bottom fin here. Turning it over towards the other side, and then what I'm going to do is this bit match the bottom part here, folding over towards the middle, like so. Brilliant job. How are we doing so far? Great stuff. Okay, so let's just fold back the fin. So I'm just going to turn it over, just fold it nice and gently, pushing down firmly there, like that. Now I'm going to fold it back inside. So as you see, I'm opening it up. Just going to push that through just like that. So from there, our Ichiosaurus is pretty much complete, apart from the eye. And that's the most important part, is to make sure the origami looks as awesome as it possibly can do. So I'm just getting one of these googly eyes, which you can get from a lot of hobby craft places. And I'm just going to push that down. I'll put a little bit of glue on the back there. And there we go. So there is your completed Ichiosaurus. How cool. Great job, everybody. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe. Stick with us for Skills4U Media.